Hey guys, today I'm going to do my full face with $1 makeup product. Guys, only like 18 rand or 16 rand makeup product. So this is what I got. I went to buy this what I got. So I got from the store. This one, this full bag. So let's see. Oh my god, girl. Oh, it's full, guys. So I think so guys, I'm going to give you the whole full of like the full the full makeup that I'm going to use. Things okay. This is the mascara. They are black mascara like band lashes. Let me see guys if it is the right. Yeah guys, smells so good guys, smells so good, I won't lie. So low, how much how much wait guys, wait, because I think it's 10 rand, 10 rand or 15 rand. And then I find this, what's this, dry wet what I don't know what is this, but I think it's for makeup because I see this picture guys of this young lady. So and then I find this, I don't know if it's my shade, but guys, this is romantic flower lasting makeup foundation, full coverage, efficient wax concealer, long lasting makeup. So I don't know if it's right for my makeup, for my skin though. So I find these two. What is this, guys? What is this? Like this is, oh, Pro Concealer HD High Diffusion Concealer, but concealer night. So I don't know, guys. And I find this this is ban black, go eyeliner and eyebrow. So concealer, I don't know. So and I find this. Let's see, it's black. What? I don't know, guys. Guys. That's name as expired or not, but I'm going to use them. This is powder, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know how many months or years did this thing stays in there. So let's open. Do you open this, guys? Let me see. Okay, I think we open this. Oh yeah, this is, guys, it's broken. It's broken, guys. Oh my gosh, it's broken. But this is it. I don't know if it's my shade or what, but we'll see. And then I bought this makeup cleansing spray. If it will, I don't know if you put it first or after. I don't know, guys, but you can tell if you will tell me. And I find this, guys, it was cheap. So, and these two, guys. So Bipuma with these charms. I even bought this, but okay, I won't put this. So yeah, guys. So guys, let's start then. So this is the whole makeup products. Sizoqala ke. Guys, it's hot. Sizoqala ngani nge, I think a foundation. So guys, I don't know if it's my shade, but see, I don't have mirror. Oh. So guys, I never done this before, so I don't know to put these things. So no. guys, iyaputuka le nto. So since we don't have brushes, I think either I'm using my this thing or guys, I'm so scared. I don't have brushes there, so let's see. We need to blend there. Okay, let me see. Guys, don't have brushes in here, so let me try to use this. Guys, ayibonakala. I can't even see anything. Look at this. But I'm still myself there. Guys, yabona nothi konke engifakile. Ake siqhubeke. Angazi nami ngiyaqala yini concealer, yenzani concealer guys? I don't even know what is this. Oh. Yini brush lakhona or what is this? Angazi nami lo. So guys, I have to use everything I bought, but angikwazi ukuvula lokhu. Hey guys, I don't know if I broke it or what. Oh, mayaputshuzeke-ke lapha bese-ke guys, into zabelungu. Konke eyenzakalayo kodwa. Oh, kumele ukuputshuze kuyaphuma. Angazi i-concealer yenzani guys. Hi guys. Ngo, khona kwenzakalayo kodwa. Okay guys, I think ilokho esokusebenzisa or yilokho. This is this one guys. Okay, upowder lona, let's see. I don't know guys, it's my first time using makeup, so guys, buka nje kunjani guys. Okay. Ooh. This is a bad idea, guys. Bad idea. So, guys, you can see different things. I'm perfect either, but okay. Let's try this, guys. What is this? Ipensela leli lenzani ipensela liyalola for eyeliner, eyebrows. I don't know what's eyebrows. So, guys, let's see if angazi nami ngoba yenza khona yini. Yo, guys, let's try. We I am so left. So, guys, it's my first time using makeup. Don't judge me, please. Especially dollar makeup. $1 makeup, like one. Was a bad idea. Check some. Keep that on. Guys, I'm quite surprised. So let me try do this. Uh, see, good finger. Okay. So angazi ke noma kuyabonakala but ngizamile. Tried my best to do this. Oh, maybe now. And then let's use this one for my lip. I think I trust this one, guys. I trust this one. Yeah, you never go wrong with this one. You never go wrong. Okay, and then asenze ukuthi ibe icobezele nyana yabo. Okay. Make it bright yabo. Yeah. So okay, let's use mascara. Guys, it's first time doing this, so don't judge me. Jesus. So guys, this is the one I'm using. Yo guys, anymore see there. Yeah guys, so athens cleaner look saying mascara. Like guys, I don't see the difference. I asked noma ngifake kancane yini, but let me try. Cool. Okay. Nangenye i-colour lapha. Hmm. Guys, angazi shem ukuthi bengenzani kodwa-ke let's see mangifaka lona upowder wakhona ukuthi kuba njani ngekhona ukuthi ndenzani. Andazi ukuthi ndenzani but ngenza khona lokho hlezi ngikubona. Maybe guys, if I had a brush, yabo, if I have the brushes for this makeup, maybe there will be a difference. But guys, my first time using makeup, so see, okay, it's not that bad, but in so have this spray. I don't know what it. Hmm, guys. So do you see the difference, guys? It's not that bad, but like, will I continue use makeup or not? But like, so I don't know. So guys, if you want more videos of this, tell me guys. So guys, see you next week. Enjoy this video and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment and tell me how do you feel about this makeup. So this is the whole face. Yeah, but I like these two things guys. This, oh, this, and I'll continue to use this because like other than this I don't think I can use other stuff, and this thing is already closed, so nah. Okay, so guys, bye.